Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here. Let's report for Kevin in Texas on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Kevin got it ready to go for you, bud. Just our standard tune alignment. Let's change this color here. Yeah, let's just go with blue for right now. I'm going to turn the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Oh yeah, there we go, 2 watts. Now that'll run your amplifier if you're going to run a 4-pill or bigger. 15 watts if you're on the barefooted side. And I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 50 bird. What does that equate to in PEP numbers? Hello, about 97 PEP. I sold out of these, so we're just now getting around to getting all these built and put up. But I can't wait to get some more in. They fit all in the cubby holes and make some big power. Got a nice big heat sink on the back. Got a great top back. 1 2 1 2. And nice echo. 4 1 2 3 4 5. Read your SWR. I think you're gonna like it, Kevin. I'm gonna send on out to you to the Big D. Your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.